Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to download NYT Games application for your Android phone. So let's dive into the video right away. Open your Play Store from your app drawer and then go to the search box and type in NYT Games. Once you make a search for it, you will be able to find this application in the search result. To download the application on your Android, tap the install button and wait for the application to download and install. It might take us several minutes to download the app, so make sure that your Android is connected to a stable internet, and soon after the application is downloaded and after it's ready for use, you'll be able to see the play button which you need to press on in order to launch open NYT Games. So that's how easy it is to download NYT Games application on your Android. You can now go ahead and create a free account if you don't have one, or log into an existing account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.